I'm Jake with SendCutSend, and today we're talking about the linear deburring process. So once your parts come out of the laser, they still might have some scale and porosity, minor handling scratches, as well as markings from raw material. They now also have a little bit of a burr on the edge from the manufacturing process. What we do is we remove that through a linear deburring machine. This is also a belt sander, commonly referred to as a time saver. The linear deburring process is best suited for flat sheet metal parts like this, but they have to be of a certain size. The smallest parts that we can run through the deburring machine is a 1" by 3" part, whereas the largest is a 24 by 46" part. So here at SendCutSend, we use the minimum amount of pressure on that deburring machine to remove that burred edge. So this is what you should expect when you receive your parts. It should be free of a burr on the outside surface of both sides, but it will still have a somewhat sharp edge here, as this process doesn't roll that edge. It only just removes that burr on that outside face. It might still have some imperfections and small handling scratches as it goes through the rest of the handling process, but it won't have any raw material manufactured markings on it anymore. Parts that meet our criteria are pre-selected to go through this deburring process and checkout. If you don't want your parts to go through that process, make sure you uncheck the box that says deburring. If you have any other questions regarding your design, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@sendcutsend.com.